Welcome back, everyone, to another great episode of Sellthoseflippingcars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are replacing the starter on the 2011 Nissan Xterra. So stay tuned for an easy walkthrough guide of this repair and a great way to save you $600. Let's jump in it, everyone. Welcome back to Sellthoseflippingcars. Today we're replacing the starter in a 2011 Nissan Xterra. If your Xterra won't start or just clicks, this is the fix you need. Stick with me and you'll save yourself over $600 in labor costs doing this at home. Don't forget to subscribe for more ways to save on auto repairs. For this job, you only need 3 tools, a 10mm, a 12mm, and a 13mm wrench. That's it. Super simple. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is locate the starter. The starter is on the passenger side of the vehicle near the transmission. But first, we must disconnect the negative side of the battery before we do anything with any electronics on the vehicle. Next, we are going to remove the main power off of the starter and the wire harness plug on the starter as well. The main power cable is a 12mm nut, and the wire harness plug, all you have to do is press it and pull the plug out. Then remove the 2 13mm bolts holding the starter in place. That's all you got. Support it as you remove the last bolt though, because it's got a little bit of weight to it. As you can see, this starter is very worn and it has been due for replacement. So it's good that we are able to get that done and get this new starter back in. You do have the heat shield on the starter, which is 2 10mm bolts. I just removed the lower 2 10mm bolts and slightly bent the heat shield out of my way so I could remove the starter. Now, to remove the starter, you will need to feed it through the front side of the passenger side half shaft. Twist the starter slightly to fit it around the obstacles and it will come right out. Reinstallation is just the removal just backwards, so do not worry about it. After feeding your new starter back through the half shaft obstacle, you are now ready to position the new starter. Position the new starter and hand thread the 2 13mm bolts first. Tighten them snug. I found that spraying the holes with some PB Blaster will also help with that. Then reconnect your wiring. 12mm for the main cable and your wire harness plug as well. After doing this, you can move the heat shield back into position and tighten the 2 10mm bolts. Finally, reconnect the negative side of the battery. Now jump in and turn the key. Your Xterra should start right up. You just saved yourself $600 on this repair. If this video helped you, please hit that subscribe button for more ways to save money on your auto repairs this year. The starter I used for this repair can be found in the video description down below. And hey, if you would like to say thanks, a super chat on YouTube is a cool way to tip your favorite auto repair content creator. It helps keep videos like this keep coming. Thanks for watching, everyone, and keep on wrenching. Alright, everyone, there you have it. The Nissan Xterra starter replacement, made easy, tools required, where to find the part, where to find the bolts, and it is just an easy repair. So if your vehicle wasn't starting before, now it starts. I hope you love it. You just saved $600, so congratulations, everyone. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, lower right hand corner, and hit the like button. It tells YouTube and myself that I'm actually doing a good job on these videos and you guys are saving some money. So thank you again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Keep on wrenching, everyone. Take care.